Okay, so Tesla stock is crashing today after reporting its delivery and production numbers, which the market clearly hated. So now what? Tesla is rejecting Friday's candlestick, doing a false breakout from the $200. This is problematic, as this suggests that Tesla could seek lower levels from here. Now, if this is a momentary crash or the beginning of a true bearish reversal, we don't know yet, but we may find some important clues analyzing a few charts. So let's see what to expect next on Tesla stock. My name is Nathan. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. So first, looking at this chart over here, this is Tesla's daily chart. We see that the $200, this green line over here, was our most important key point, because this key point did work as a resistance level a couple of times over here, and last Friday we did a crystal clear breakout from this top level. We broke this $200 line, doing a very powerful bullish candlestick pattern over here. Today, we are completely rejecting Friday's candle, and this is very problematic because by rejecting such an important bullish reaction, this might indicate to us that Tesla is just weak. It is just looking weak. In my humble opinion, this is not a true or meaningful bearish reversal structure because, as far as I'm concerned, Tesla is doing higher highs, higher lows. Maybe we can use this as a higher high, higher low. It did a higher high, did a higher low, it did a higher high again. If Tesla finds a support level above the 187, doing a crystal clear higher low, Tesla will just resume the bullish sentiment, and it is going to retest the next resistance levels, which is near the 211, maybe even 217 up here. Now, if we take a look at the 1 hour chart, it is quite problematic because unlike other stocks, Tesla is losing the 21 EMA. It is dropping more than the broad market. It is dropping more than other tech stocks. It is trying to completely frustrate the previous bullish sentiment. We are feeling a few gaps over here, right? We feel it. This gap, we feel it. This gap, we have another gap down here, I guess, right? 189.36, 189.44. So yes, this gap is still open. We have another gap that Tesla could fill. And this is acceptable as long as Tesla maintains the higher highs, higher lows pattern. That's okay. The bull trend will still be intact. Now, if Tesla actually retests the 187, that's going to be a problem. But if we lose the 187 support, then in my humble opinion, Tesla is going to officially trigger a bearish reversal structure, and in this scenario, we are going to seek much lower levels. In this case, Tesla will probably turn bearish again, midterm speaking. Now it is very important to analyze the context where Tesla is in right now. Some people get mad when I analyze other stuff like the indices, but guys, Tesla is part of a gigantic puzzle called the stock market. The broad sentiment is going to affect Tesla's performance eventually. Of course, domestic catalysts like delivery and production numbers are going to affect Tesla much more than the macro, but either way, macro is going to affect Tesla is in one way or another. Now, if we take a look at SPY isn't doing any top signal yet. Even if SPY corrects, I see it finding a support level at 407, and this is it. The bias is still clearly bullish on SPY. Tech stocks are looking quite resilient. We are not necessarily bearish. We are struggling under a very important resistance at 321, which was a resistance level on August last year. Therefore, we are just struggling in this area right here, right now at this moment. Is this a top signal? Not yet. If we see a crystal clear bearish candlestick pattern in this area, then okay, maybe tech stocks are going to correct. In this scenario, I see I see QQQ retesting its 21 EMA in the daily chart. Probably the S&P is going to trigger its pullback as well. If the S&P loses 407, I see the S&P, I see SPY retesting its 21 EMA next as well. But and in this scenario, Tesla probably would lose the 187 support. And in this scenario, Tesla is going to seek lower levels like the 170s or even possibly the 160s down here. But as long as we don't see crystal clear top signals, crystal clear reversal structures on the indices, in my humble opinion, Tesla is going to remain weak inside this range between 200 and 187, and this is it. Therefore, it is very important to see the indices and Tesla reacting above their support levels. Tesla is right now very close to its 21 EMA in the daily chart. If we see a very good bullish reaction tomorrow, if tomorrow we see a very strong bullish candlestick, preferably closing above the $200, then I believe Tesla is going to resume the bullish sentiment, and that today's crash was just a crash, right? Just the volatility speaking over here because of domestic catalysts. After all, Tesla's numbers are still quite good. It reported record numbers. Tesla is still a phenomenal company, fundamentally speaking, but right now it is just looking weak. And of course, if you want to join the community of the top 5% of traders that can actually make money while beating this market, check my website. The link is in the description of this video, and subscribe to keep in touch with my daily analysis, daily insights on Tesla and on other stocks. Click on the like button to support me. Thank you very much for your audience. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.